This is a bust. I made it of sand from the beach. While walking along the shore, I remembered an old friend. His name was Karen. Karen the fisherman. He spent most of his life casting nets into the sea. Not for money, not for fame, but because the sea called to him. It was his home, his sanctuary, his silent companion. One stormy autumn day, he went out to the sea, but no one saw him return. Some say the waves took him gently. Others whisper he chose to stay where the horizon meets the sky and the soul finds peace. I shaped this bust not to keep him here, but to let him go, to honor the way he lived, with salt in his hair and wind in his sails. The tide will come and wash it away, as it should, because memory doesn't live in sand. It lives in the stories we tell, in the silence between waves, in the way we look at the sea and feel someone still there, watching, smiling, waiting. Pause. Look down. You might see the ghost of a smile etched in wet sand. That's Karen, still fishing, still free. And when the tide takes him again, don't be sad. Just whisper, "Thank you, old friend." Then turn and walk on. The sea remembers even when we forget. Thank you for patiently listening to my story. Stay tuned for my next videos.